Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going over my yarn usage for 2025. I am a little late putting this out, but I had to make sure I had everything written down. I have my labels. This is my labels. And I have it written in a book, in my notebook. So let's get started. So here are my labels, and let's go over how many skeins I use, how many grams, and then a total of yards that I use. So to begin with, I have the big twist yarn that I use, and I had 9 skeins of big twist yarn that I used in 2025. And it was so 9 skeins of big twist yarn. I'll just go over the skeins, then I'll go over my total grams and my total yards. So that is 9 skeins of big twist yarn, and that's big twist value, big twist flourish, the t-shirt yarn, and jelly bean that I actually use. So it was 4 different types of big twist yarn I use, but it's a total of 9 skeins. Then I use Lindy Hobby. So for Lindy Hobby, I use a total of 6 skeins of yarn. No, that's 6 skeins of cotton, and then I had 5 skeins of t-shirt yarn that I use. So for Lindy Hobby, I use a total of 11 skeins of yarn. From Hobby Lobby, I use a total of 29 skeins of yarn. So 29 skeins of yarn from Hobby Lobby. And that includes the I Love This yarn, and also Yarn Bee. I use 9 skeins of Yarn Bee, and then 20 skeins of I Love This yarn. So that is the skeins that I use from Hobby Lobby. Then Dollar Tree, I use a total of 20 skeins of the Just Chanel, I should say, yarn from Dollar Tree. I use a total of 20 skeins. So that's Dollar Tree. Then I had Red Heart yarn. I used a total of 8 skeins of Red Heart yarn. And I use a total of t-shirt yarn from Temu. I use 10 skeins. Now I don't have labels for that, but I did, I was able to manage with counting how many skeins of yarn I use from Temu with the t-shirt yarn. Now with the merino wool yarn that I ordered from Temu, I use a total of 7 skeins. So this is the merino wool labels, merino wool yarn, and I use a total of 7 skeins. So yes, so this is all my labels that I use for projects in 2025. That doesn't include my 10 skeins of t-shirt yarn that I use from Temu, but it's it's counted, or I factor it all in at the end with my total grams, skeins, and yards. So for the total number of skeins I use in 2025, the total came to 86 skeins. So 86 skeins of yarn for 2025. That equals 12,000, and I have everything written down right here. That's why I'm reading it. Everything is written. So I use a total of 12,287 grams of yarn. That's the 86 skeins. And then for the total number of yards, it was 25,536.7 yards of yarn. Whew, that's a lot of yarn. But that is my numbers for 2025 yarn usage. So that is it, guys. So guys, that is it for this video. I have completed my yarn usage for 2025, and just to recap, the amount of skeins that I used in 2025 was 86. It was 12,287 grams and 25,536.7 yards of yarn that I used. A lot of yarn. So if you like what you're seeing in this video, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. And I thank my subscribers for watching my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.